Hi, I'm Bradley, and over the past few months I've been completing a sales and marketing internship at Akoni Technologies. So throughout the internship I assisted the marketing team with the development and execution of marketing campaigns. I learned how to create social media content and assess analytics. I also gained vital experience from assisting with customer relationship management and generating leads to maintaining client databases. So I'm currently studying a history degree at the University of Reading. However, I wanted an internship that offered me a challenge and a change from what I was used to. I like the prospect of gaining new skills, especially when it improves my interpersonal and my technical skills. I also wanted to widen my career prospects following my graduation. Overall, I have enjoyed every aspect of my internship, especially as the role has been very hands-on and no 2 days have been the same. In particular, I'd say I really enjoyed the challenges of working within a fast-paced sales environment, and the team has been a pleasure to work with. They've all welcomed me into the business. I think it's important to try something that is outside of your comfort zone and that is completely new to you. You'll gain new skills and you'll make your CV stand out. You might even find a new career path.